Welcome, visionary founders and strategic storytellers. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the psychology behind effective pitch decks. Join us on an exciting journey as we explore how the magic of psychology can transform your pitch into an irresistible force, captivating hearts and minds. Let's kickstart with a sprinkle of generosity. Right from the beginning, offer your audience a tantalizing taste of value. It could be an insightful research nugget or an exclusive trial opportunity that leaves them craving for more. This unexpected act of generosity instantly hooks your audience and primes them for what's to come. Now let's dive into the enchanting world of storytelling. Craft your pitch as an epic tale, complete with a compelling conflict and a heroic resolution. Transport your audience into a captivating narrative that tugs at their emotions and leaves them spellbound. Brace yourself for the adventure of a lifetime. But hold on, we don't want to overwhelm our eager explorers. Keep it simple and visually stunning, like a treasure map leading to boundless riches. Use striking visuals and concise text to guide your audience through the twists and turns effortlessly. Get ready for awe-inspired nods of understanding. Ahoy, credibility boosters! Introduce the power of social proof into your pitch. Unleash glowing testimonials, impressive endorsements, and captivating success stories to create a wave of credibility that sweeps your audience off their feet. Watch as they eagerly jump aboard your ship of success. Listen closely for the whispers of scarcity and FOMO, fear of missing out. Highlight the uniqueness of your opportunity and ignite a sense of urgency that tingles in the hearts of your audience. Let them feel the exhilaration of joining the exclusive inner circle. Tick-tock, it's now or never. The sweet symphony of shared values. Tune your pitch to resonate with the passions and interests of your potential investors. Create a harmonious connection that ignites their enthusiasm and aligns your goals. Together, you'll embark on a journey towards greatness. But wait, there's one final illusion to unveil. Paint a vivid picture of contrast between your solution and the existing landscape. Illuminate the breathtaking brilliance of your innovation and transform skeptics into believers. Let the spotlight shine bright on your irresistible vision. By embracing these psychological principles, your pitch deck morphs into a captivating adventure that leaves your audience breathless. It's time to step into the spotlight and share your experiences. How have you harnessed the power of psychology when crafting your own pitch presentations? We're ready to be inspired by your tales of persuasion and triumph.